Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can force restart Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do that, we need to press and hold the power button or the side button and volume down button at the same time. Press and hold both of these buttons for approximately 10 seconds until the screen turns black. So keep holding it, and there we go. Now the screen is black, and all we need to do is simply wait for the device to turn itself back on. Now it might take like even 30 seconds before it turns back on, at least in my case, and this is how it looks like. So at first I was wondering if it's not working properly or something. If you have the same case on your Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, then simply wait and the device will turn itself back on eventually, and you should see the Samsung logo after a short while. So I will leave the video. Oh, there we go, I don't have to. Now the device is back on. So this is how we can force restart. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.